Hee Zuzu. Oui, Zivon. Fun walk. Yay, hee hee. Zuzu, look! Rain!
It's okay, Zivon.
Zivon, don't cry. I want to go home.
I'm so cold and lost.
Shh, it's okay. I'm here.
Thank you, Zuzu.
Oh, Zivon, don't cry. Look, a tiny umbrella.
I'll cover you, Zivon.
It's so small. It's perfect for us.
Thank you, Zuzu.
Oh no! I'll get it! Wait, Zuzu! Oh no, they're getting all wet. Wait, I'll share my umbrella. Thank you, we were getting soaked. There, much better. Zivon Zuzu, I'm here. You came for us. Of course. Let's get you dry. It's so warm now.
Don't worry, Zuzu. The rain is getting softer.
Okay, Zivon, I'm glad we're together. Home soon?
Yes, our house is just ahead. We're safe.
I love you guys. It will keep you cozy. We can all cuddle now. I feel so safe and happy. Me too. Hot milk time, Zivon. Yummy, thank you. So warm and cozy. Here you go. So good.
Happy. Thank you for the milk, little friend.
You're welcome, Zivon. Group hug.
I love you both so much.
We love you too. Shh, it's stopping. Look, the moon.
Good night, my friends.